Hey guys, what's up? It's deadpoolrich. Welcome back to another video. Today we are... Ooh, that's an easy ban right there. Wow, I did not expect that. Deadpoolrich just said he's Mossy Chicken, who just got banned for hacking. I literally did not know he was going to say that, but let's record him anyways. He's not my pal, dude. I uploaded a video of you hacking. Oh, no, dude, don't tell me. Please. Okay, guys, hopefully this... I can get this kid off me. Deadpoolrich. Okay, so... Wait, let me ask him... What? No, don't kill me. Oh, yes, that's good. Okay. What is your old IGN? Let's see what he says. Mossy Chicken, is that it? Okay, guys, well, it's another easy ban. So, yeah, thanks for watching. No, I banned you. LOL, hashtag easy ban. Okay, guys, well, thanks for watching. Deadpoolrich is his name, and you are Mossy Chicken, right? Oh, okay, so now he's gonna say that because he knows I'm recording. Okay, well, guys, you saw it earlier. He is Mossy Chicken. He's just saying that. You guys, once you get on, you can check his IP to see that he has the same IP as Mossy Chicken. I don't know. Like, I obviously don't know his IP, but you guys can just see that in game. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. And that's another easy ban. See you guys later. Goodbye.